What up, everybody? Welcome back to Jimbo Part 4. Today, we're not going to be talking about the motorcycle, or the journey, or the Kia, or the mysterious Kia, and or even the pickup truck. Actually, what we're going to talk about is actually what I went to the past weekend. Went to the actual expo center, and actually it was a ton of fun. They had a big car show that they actually had, and what I want to do is provide this video for you and show you all the wonderful cars I got to actually look at and everything else. But I really hope you would enjoy the show and everything. I had lots of fun actually meeting incredible people. It was tons of fun. Now, some of y'all are going to give me flack over this, but this actually is one of my favorite vehicles. I don't know what it's always been about these SSR trucks, but these things were one of a kind. I mean, actually the convertible actually comes up on it and everything else, actually from the very back of it. Why do I like it? It just has a slick body look. I think it's what it is. The slick lines that was developed on these things. And Chevy was on a right path, but apparently, if I remember correctly, they did have multiple problems with these things. Leave me a comment down below if you remember what those were. But to this very day, I still fell in love with one of these trucks. I wish I could really afford to get me one of these trucks. These things are just really, really nice. Beautiful to go cruising in. Definitely not one of those high-powered, fast machines, but it's still fun enough to drive. Here with a gentleman named John, and can you tell me something unique? Tell me about your car. This is quite of a unique vehicle that you have right here. This is beautiful.
This is the Defiant EV3 electric roadster.
Okay.
We designed it for commuters in mind.
Okay.
So it's not trying to be all things to all people, but it's got 3 wheels, 3 passengers.
Yeah, I was noticing that.
Yes.
I mean, even a 3-passenger vehicle, as everybody can see, it's one in the center. Quite unusual. How would somebody get in the very back? Just kind of curiosity.
Yeah, you just slide the seat forward. It leans forward as well, so you can climb in the back seat.
Oh, okay.
And it fits 2 in the back seat.
Okay. What's the power ratio? How far can you go with this?
Yeah, you can actually drive it about 100 miles, and we designed it for commuters. And the average commuter drives about 30 or so miles a day.
Okay.
But you can drive it 100 miles, plug it into any standard 110 volt outlet anywhere for a full recharge in about 8 hours.
Okay.
So it gives you actually up to about a 200 mile per day range as a daily commuter.
Oh, wow.
And again, no special chargers, no infrastructure needed, just plug it in.
Oh, wow.
8 hours later, you got a full charge.
That's amazing. Really, I mean, this is honestly. I mean, obviously, we got beautiful cars. Everybody, definitely come out here at the Expo Center out here. Speak to John. Apparently, you want to sell multiple of these things.
Yes, we're looking to get into production this year.
Oh, that'd be great. Even I'm kind of excited. Actually, I'm gonna have to talk to you about this.
If you can't come out here and visit with us, check us out on our website, shockwavemotors.com.
Okay, and I'm gonna leave that link down in below in my description below. So everybody, please check out John and his electric mobile vehicle here. I mean, this thing is. I mean, everybody, this is quite unique.
The best part's the price.
How much are you wanting to?
It'll qualify for a $5,000 federal tax rebate. That will drop the price down to less than $20,000.
Oh wow! Wow. Dude, I'm really not talking to you.
We want to build a commuter car that is cost effective, fun to drive, ecological, and it's a blast.
A head turner.
And a head turner, especially when you pop the top, take that hard top off.
Oh, so this is a hard top.
Removable hard top.
Oh,
like
okay.
Classic Triumph Spitfire.
I mean, yeah, I can see where it's definitely. Yeah, where the scene is.
Lift right off.
Okay. Are you planning on making a convertible version, or?
We may do that, but we may just keep it hard top removable.
Okay. No, I would definitely keep the hard top on. I mean, that's honestly, this is something I would really like, and everything else out here. John, good luck with your business and everything. And everybody, please check out. Come here to the Expo Center. You've got to see this one-of-a-kind, unique vehicle. I mean, as you can tell, everybody here has got multiple beautiful cars, but this one will probably stick out in the crowd bigger than anybody. Okay, here is a 1923 Ford, and he put a 454 big block on it, as you can see. Let's say it's like the same. The gentleman I spoke to, he definitely said it took him over 4 years. I mean, I love the, what kind of, ostrich, okay, this is ostrich. Padding on it. That's beautiful. I love that, the padding on it. I love the gear shifter. Look at this. This gear shifter is amazing looking. One of a kind. I've never seen anything like that before. Boy, stuff like this, you know, I really like. Hillbilly Hot Rod, there you go. That's a perfect name for it. Now, some of you may actually know this one of the cars I love more than anything. But this right here is an 89 925 Porsche Turbo. And these things were just a huge iconic vehicles. It's so beautiful. This car is in pristine condition. I mean, it's just a beautiful car. I've always been a massive fan of the Porsche cars, but I really love it. Here is something so unique for you people. Look at this rat rod. This thing is insane. You have to look inside. I mean, even the steering wheel. Use old knuckles right here. And like metal tubing or shifter right here. Leather skin, alligator skin, sorry. Has it on here. Even has it on the top of the roof. The gentleman won multiple competitions. Actually, he's selling this. But yeah, it is a suicidal door. But here's what I think is really cool about it. It's the very back of it. That is like an old tow truck. That is so freaking cool. I think that is so badass. For some of you car enthusiasts, I want to see how many of y'all even knew what that engine was. I know what it is. Have I ever worked on it? No, I've never worked on it. My gosh, that would have been an honor to. But this is a 1932 Ford, and holy cow, it still looks in crazily mint condition, especially as old as it is. But wow, this is one of a kind. I really love it. Looks like he had to switch over to the fuel tank in the back. Of course, obvious reasons. Some of y'all might know the history on it. But capped off the headers. Let's see here. Well, I hope you really enjoyed this video and everything. Like I said, it was a great weekend. I'm sorry that some of the videos may say actually check it out today. It was clear back on this past weekend. I didn't get the video done until today.
which kind of sucks. But I'm going to definitely get the whole video done for you. But as they say, definitely ride safe or definitely drive safe. Y'all have a wonderful day.